If you've been searching for a single-story home in North Alabama for under $275,000, I want to show you something most people might overlook. Park Place subdivision in Decatur, Alabama. My newest listing is at 1010 Brookshire Lane, a two-bedroom, two-bathroom, single-story home with 1,800 square feet, priced at $265,000. Now, before we talk about the house, let me tell you why this location is special. Point Mallard Park is just minutes away, and one of my favorite things about this spot is that you can actually watch the hot air balloons fly overhead every Memorial Day weekend during the Alabama Jubilee Festival held at Point Mallard Park. Morning walks by the river, golf at Point Mallard, and hot air balloons overhead every Memorial Day. You're not just buying a home here. You're buying front row seats to one of North Alabama's best traditions. Now, let me offer you a little bit of honest, radical transparency. This home is only 2 bedrooms. So if you absolutely need a 3rd bedroom or a massive fenced-in yard, this might not be the fit for you. But if you value a good-sized primary suite, the peace of mind of a roof that's less than 5 years old, and an air conditioner that's right around 6 years old over that 3rd guest bedroom, then this is your winner. And for a lot of buyers right now, low maintenance matters. At 1010 Brookshire Lane, the kitchen has new granite countertops and the whole exterior is low maintenance brick. A lot of buyers are getting pushed further and further out of Huntsville by the prices right now. This gives you another option. This home sits close to I-565 for a straightforward commute into Huntsville or Madison. You get a move-in ready home in an established neighborhood and at a price point that's becoming nearly impossible to find here in North Alabama. And if you're downsizing, 1,800 square feet means you're not giving up space. You're just eliminating the parts of the bigger home you weren't probably using anyway. Your weekends are going to belong to you again, not to a to-do list. If you've been trying to figure out where your money goes furthest here in North Alabama right now, this is exactly the kind of home you should be paying attention to. Call or text me directly at 256-476-4201. I'm Clint Peters with Real Broker.